Hey there! Are you ready to transform your body and save time with weight loss meal prep? Let's dive in. Meal prepping is a game changer for anyone looking to lose weight. By controlling your food choices, you can promote healthier eating habits and stay on track with your goals. Start with nutrient-rich snacks like fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. These are perfect for keeping you full and energized throughout the day. Next, focus on protein-rich meal prep bowls. Combine lean protein, fresh vegetables, and healthy carbs to create delicious and satisfying meals. Calorie control is key. By prepping your meals in advance, you can ensure each meal is calorie controlled, helping you stick to your weight loss plan. Meal prepping isn't just about eating healthy, it's also a huge time saver. With your meals ready to go, you'll be less likely to reach for unhealthy options. Plan your meals in advance to avoid overspending and food spoilage. Remember to prep food for a maximum of 3 days to keep everything fresh. Include staple items in your shopping list, and balance your diet with the right mix of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Prioritize whole foods over processed items for sustainable eating habits. Cooking at home supports your weight loss goals. People who cook more at home consume fewer calories, less sugar, and fewer ultra-processed foods. Batch cooking and smart storage solutions are essential for efficient meal prepping. This way you can enjoy a variety of meals without spending hours in the kitchen every day. Try following a 7-day meal prep plan with approximately 1,500 calories per day. This plan includes breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks, making healthy eating and weight loss easier and more enjoyable. Don't miss out on our new free diet and weight loss ebook. Click the link in our profile to get started on your journey to a healthier you. Subscribe for more tips and tricks on weight loss and healthy living. See you next time. Link in profile.